Admiring the tranquility and birdsong of the forest is like stepping into a sanctuary of nature's serenity. As one stands beneath the towering trees, the peaceful symphony of the forest begins to unfold. The rustle of leaves, the gentle sway of branches, and the babbling of a distant brook create a harmonious background, instilling a deep sense of calm. The birds, with their varied melodies, become the poets of this sylvan haven. Their songs, ranging from the soft cooing of doves to the melodious trill of songbirds, intertwine to compose a masterpiece of natural music. Each note reverberates through the trees, creating a seamless blend of sounds that seems to echo the heartbeat of the forest itself. In the midst of this symphony, the forest exudes a peace that transcends the noise and chaos of the outside world. The dappled sunlight filtering through the leaves paints a gentle, calming palette, and the air is filled with a refreshing scent of earth and foliage. It is a place where time seems to slow down, allowing for reflection and a profound connection with the tranquil rhythm of nature. Amidst the enchanting birdsong and the soothing embrace of the forest, one can't help but feel a deep appreciation for the simple yet profound beauty that nature generously offers. It becomes a moment to pause, breathe, and marvel at the timeless serenity that only the harmonious chorus of the forest and the melody of birdsong can provide. The passage above describes the enchanting beauty of free birds within the mystical canvas of nature. Their presence is portrayed as a marvel that transcends mere physical attributes, evoking a sense of wonder and admiration. The delicate wings of these birds, gracefully dancing in the sky, paint elegant and captivating contours against the backdrop of the heavens. The interplay of sunlight accentuates the diverse hues of their feathers, ranging from the pure elegance of white to the vibrant brilliance of red, yellow, and blue. The passage emphasizes not only the visual allure, but also the melodic symphony created by the free birds. Their enchanting songs resonate like the harmonies of nature, infusing the surrounding space with happiness and love. As they soar through the air, these birds craft a unique beauty, leaving onlookers awestruck by their purity and freedom. Undoubtedly, free birds are not just magnificent creatures. They embody the spirit of freedom and tranquility. They become symbols of inspiration, reminding humanity of the value of freedom and the ability to soar high in life. In the presence of these free spirits, observers find an endless source of inspiration, a constant reminder of the intrinsic beauty and untamed grace that nature beholds.